Technically, this is at the end of the trip, but I have to start being better about this, so I figured I'd put it in here now. If you like our channel, please subscribe to it. Over 92% of the people that watch us regularly are not subscribed. If you could do us a favor and subscribe, it'll help us grow and get us to the goal that we're trying to reach. If you are subscribed and you like some of our videos, give them a thumbs up. They're really starting to watch the likes and comments on videos, so it doesn't take much to help us out a long way on that. Anyway, enjoy the video. All right, well, it's taking us a little bit longer to get rigged up than I wanted to. It's been a little bit of a struggle. The wind is kicking up pretty good right now, so that's not fun. And trying to get the equipment rigged to the directions that I need it, that's not really fun right now. It's a learning process. I've never bottom fished out of a kayak like this before. Not to this caliber. I've done smaller stuff, so we're learning together. Oh, we got one. It feels like it's pulling line too. This feels like a good fish. I got a monster fish on here. This is a heavy fish. Let's see if I can't reel up this one, because it's straight up and down. I don't want it in the way. Oh yeah, he's pulling line. Oh yeah, monster blue. Monster blue out of the kayak. I'm gonna let him go down a little bit and play for a second. I'm gonna get pictures of this thing in the water. Oh, he jumped under the kayak. Alrighty, where's me old grips? All right, buddy. Come here. Wow. This is a good cat right here. Wow, this is a good cat. You back in the rod holder. Hey. Chill out, buddy. Chill out. Wow. That's all I can say right now is just wow. Hook is out. Look at this blue cat. Hey, yeah, I know it. Look at that bad boy. It's hard to hold him up one-handed. This is a big cat. Put him on my lap. See, 0, 2, oh wait, wrong side. There we go. 0, 2, he is 30. Well, darn it, guy. I'll say 37, 38 inches. Okay. Wow. One more time for the camera. That's a huge cat. Okay, whenever you're ready to let it go. Get out of here. Woo. And straight back down. Oh my gosh. It's insane. Now I gotta try to get this one unstuck. We'll anchor back out over there here in a minute. Wow. This one was getting hit. Oh. This one just got nailed. I got a freaking monster on this one, I think. Let's see if we can't reel this one up. Come on, buddy. He's pulling a little bit of line. Oh, it's a good blue. Oh, he's still pulling line. He's still pulling line. He is still pulling line. Look at that. This is a big fish right here. I wonder if I can get this one up real quick. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna break that rod. He is still, look at that. He is still taking line. I'm not sure how big this fish is. Come on, buddy. It's a monster blue. This is a big guy right here. He's still pulling line. This is crazy, y'all. Can I reel this one up? Oh, wow. This is a good blue. He's still pulling line. We ought to see him in a second. I got a tight drag, y'all. He buried this rod. He still don't even look hooked good. All right, now the dangerous part. I got the leader. He's death rolling. He is freaking barely hooked. I think I got it. Holy crap, dude. This is a big blue cat. Let me make sure I don't want to take any chances of losing him. I gotta reel this one the rest of the way in. Dude. I don't even know how big this... Wow. Wow. This is a huge catfish. Come on. Nope. Stay calm. Stay calm. Holy crap. Can you believe this? This is insane. This is a massive cat. This is a good chance right here for me to measure him too. Well, where is my measuring tape? Bet I lost it already. Did I lose it? Crap. Crap. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure a piece of string and cut it right here. Look at this catfish. Look at Jesus Christ, dude. I'm freaking out. I am literally freaking out right now. Dude, I could get a better measurement on him right here. This is how I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it like this. Yep, I hear you, buddy. I'm about to get you back. Don't even worry about it. Right there. I'm gonna hold on to that piece of string. Dunk his head under so he's got some water on his gills. I'm about to just do this the old. Where's it at? Is that it? Yeah. That piece of string, I need that. Alrighty. We'll get a picture of him in the water, and then I'm gonna let him go. I've had him out long enough. He should be good and strong. Nope, nope. Let me get you turned around, big guy. All right, that's good enough. All right, fun time. Say goodbye to everybody. Well, Jesus, straight back to the bottom. I don't want y'all to think I was playing around with that catfish. I want to show you how tight this drag is. Look at that. I've probably got this thing. That's Joe. I done showed Joe. He's freaking out. I've probably got this at 15 pounds of drag, maybe 20. I mean, I had this thing locked down, dude. I'm still just sitting here shaking right now. Like, I don't even know. He come out of nowhere. He wasn't even on the depth finder. Like, nothing showed up. There was no activity. I just hear the rod behind me just booming. I mean, I had him on for like 2 seconds before the camera come on, because I looked around and the pole is just doubled down going that way. And I hit record, and by the time it started recording, I'd already got him back up to about right there. So y'all didn't miss much of the fight. I gotta figure out, I'm running close out of time. I gotta go. I want to hit 1 or 2 more spots, and then I gotta get back. But man, I don't want to quit after that. Well, this is what happens when you forget to do stuff. I should have made sure that battery was charged last night. I thought it was charged, and it was mostly charged. It may have been fully charged, because I'm pretty sure I charged it a few days ago. Problem is, we've got a reverse wind. The wind is pushing upstream, which is a pain in the butt to paddle this heavy joker in. And the current is slackish. There's a little bit of a current, but not much. But between the wind pushing one way and the daggum current going the other way, it ate up that motor. I'm glad it made it all the way to the backside, middle of the island that I was fishing. And not go dead at the very top. All right, here at the end of the trip, about to head home, I wanted to give a recap. So it was hard to measure that blue cat. effectively. I lost the stinking measuring tape somehow in between hooking him and getting him in the kayak. I don't know. So when I pulled the string out and I got as close as possible, he still kind of had his tail flop, so I didn't get a full measurement. The string measured out at 45 inches. So from the length and weight chart, a 45-inch blue cat is around 44-ish pounds, 44.5 pounds. So that's the biggest blue cat I've ever caught. It was an incredible fight. I'm glad it was on the setup that it was on, because I knew that would handle him 100%. I'm going to figure out in the future a measuring board of some kind, even if I have to make one, so I can get a full-on accurate measurement. So he was definitely over 40 pounds because he was heavy to pick up. I wish I could have got a fully accurate measurement, because he could have been a little bit longer. And believe it or not, just a few inches longer when a fish is that size adds an extreme amount of weight. So, but I'm calling it at 45. I'm good with that. It's 44-pound blue cat. It's my biggest blue cat I've ever caught. So, yeah, I couldn't ask for a better trip. It was awesome. You know, besides the wind going on and my battery freaking dying on me, but that's my fault. I should have paid attention to how long I was on the water and how much battery I was using. So anyway, I will catch y'all back in Alabama. I'm heading back home. So the next video you'll see I had another incredible day out on the water and caught another big fish. So y'all stay tuned to that. Keep an eye out for it.